Go, go, go.
Run.
I'm running.
Hey, hey. Come here. Oh, she did something.
You're going to show me something?
I want to buy this.
You want to buy that? What about that one right there?
That one? I want to play this card. I want to play this card.
What are you going to do with it?
Buy it,
Buy it and do what?
go to my house.
And take it to your house?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put it at home?
No.
Okay, why don't you put it back since we don't know where to put it at home? We'll buy something else, like
No.
eggs.
No, I
And milk.
want this. Hold me.
Are you going to go for a run again?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Hi. I want this. Oh, Mom. Hold me. Hold me with this.
What are we going to do with two of those?
This?
But why do we need two?
You know?
You don't even like Batman. Put Batman back.
No.
You don't even have a good argument with that one. If you went with the princesses, that I can understand. Put Batman back.
I want princesses.
What are you going to do with that?
You know? I want to put it right here.
Okay. Okay, now go for your run. Go.
Hi. Stay there. This one. Or this. Angry Birds.
Angry Birds?
Yeah. And Angry Birds in your phone.
I know you play Angry Birds on my phone.
Oh my gosh.
Hold me.
Shopping with Mia.
There.
Okay, go for a run.
Okay. Come here.
We're almost there.
We're coming.
Oh Mia, look in the back. Ice cream.
What?
Look in the back. Run to the end.
I can't see it. Can't see it in.
Okay, go for a run.
I want this. I want this.
What is it?
This is bacon.
It's a blanket?
Yeah. Like the cover. This is I want this. I want this. I want this.
We have blankets at home. Let's go buy something else.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's for. This is bacon.
We don't need a blanket,
I want this one.
but we don't need that.
Yeah.
We have blankets and stuff at home. I know. Okay, let's go.
You put all stuff in there. I want it. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll show you something. Come
You
on.
want to show me something?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it? I'm crying. I'm laughing so hard. We don't need those, McKaylee.
Yeah.
No. We don't need 3 garbage cans.
Yeah.
Oh my
Come on, let's go buy something else. I
Come
already
in.
bought you some.
Pie.
What?
Pie's for. Come on.
Okay.
it can fit me.
That'll fit you? Do you know what that is?
This is hat.
It's a hat?
Yeah.
Let me see it on your head. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
What's wrong?
This can't fit me.
Why can't it fit you?
Because I'm too big.
Your head's too big?
Yeah.
Hmm. Are you sure it goes on your head?
No.
I think it goes on your hand. Yeah, put it on your hand.
This is for babies.
No, it's not a hat for babies. It goes on your hand. It's a washcloth, and then you put soap on it and you wash your body.
Oh.
And now wash your body. Yeah, that's what
Hey,
you do.
I can't soup at my house.
You're right, soap's at your house.
And I can wash my butt at my soup house.
Okay, put it back. Let's go for a run.
Yeah. And hot, soft, steady, and warm. And put it back. Oh no.
Oh, perfect. Good job.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, let's go.
What about this?
No, that's the same thing. It's a washcloth.
Yeah. And it's still on my hand.
And it goes on your hand. Okay, now put it back. We have to go.
I can't get the. Ow.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Hold on. Let's see it back.
Okay, you got it.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. No, McKaylee, let's go.
Okay, come on. Cookies, chocolate, eggs, bananas.
Hey! Show me the backpack.
You don't need a backpack.
We have one backpack.
Yeah.
And let's go, let's go.
Hi. Hi.
No, 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 no.
Hi.
No, 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 there. Come here.
Come on, Mia, let's go this way.
Hi. I'll show you. A toys.
We don't need toys.
Yeah.
Maybe for your birthday. Let's go.
I want my toys at my birthday.
Okay, next year for your birthday.
Whip.
Ribbits, let's go. Froggy.
Whip. 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 Oh, I got my juice. A piggy. Let's go in now. And apple.
No, pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin picky.
Pumpkin piggy. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I want this.
Come on, Mia.
It's this.
That's a regular piggy. Let's go.
It's this.
That's a dinosaur. Let's go.
That is dinosaur box.
Yep.
This is baseball piggy.
Baseball piggy, yep.
And this is
You tell me.
this.
It's a football piggy.
Oh.
Do you like football?
Yeah.
All right, come on. Let's go pick out ice cream.
Oh. I give up.
Stop. What do you want with a light bulb?
I know.
Okay, then let's go. Okay, that's a nutcracker. Let's go.
There's this.
That's the same thing. Let's go.
Cracker.
Yes.
That's a cracker. That's a cracker. That's a cracker.
Yep, they all crack. Okay, come on. Let's go, McKaylee. We have to go pick up Clara soon. Come on.
Oh. I came up. Come and get me. This is not ice cream.
That's not ice cream. It's iced tea.
It's tea.
Oh, we need cereal. Cereal's over here. Here.